Good morning. Today is Tuesday, December 16th, 2025. I'm here at Governor's Creek, and this is going to be a before video of Nu Latitude. It's been a little bit of a while since we cleaned her last. So we're going to go ahead and double check, see how bad it is, and if it's deemed worse than an hourly, we're going to go ahead and try and talk to Dane and see what's going on. Not a lot of hard growth. This is all slimy muck growth. I don't believe it's going to take an hourly rate, but I do want to let you know that the whole hull, running gear included, is just covered. And that's something that is not typical of something that we usually see during the winter, especially showing that your paint is this good. So we might need to request or recommend more frequent cleanings. But let me go ahead and clean it now. I'll get an after video, and we'll go from there.